name is Hale, managing partner of MKB Realtors. I can tell you this, and I've done this for a long time, as I say, and I don't say that to be boastful. I say that because I've seen good, mediocre, and bad vendors come in here and want our business. I'm flattered that they want our business, but the way that Delta Media Group has gone into this, the way they've helped design, the responsiveness, the kindness, the sense that I get, and this is one of the coolest things, the sense that I get of Delta Media Group's culture seems very much like our culture. You've got good people working with you. You've just got good people, and that means so much to me. When I was in the building business, I could stand back and look at a home well built and take pride in it. Today, my pride is helping navigate and help an agent reach a solution to a problem or help them grow in their business. And what we've done here with Delta Media Group in the last few days and since I've signed on is just right in our wheelhouse to help their business grow. So the agent reaction has been overwhelming. Coming from what they had to this, it is night and day. From the time that I first announced this and I had Delta Media do a webinar for a company meeting, a lot of them have been like, when are we going to do it? When is it going to roll out? And so they are tickled. To date, my decision to switch to Delta Group is, in the 22 years that I've had this job, one of the best decisions I've made. Delta Media Group solution, without question, will make my life, my staff's life, and our agents' life easier. And I say that without hesitation. As an independent real estate broker, I'm left to seek my own solutions, whether it's technology, whether it's furnishings, whether it's whatever it is. I'm left to create my own outcomes. And being a member of Leading RE gives me sort of a network and a pool from which to learn, but it's on me to evaluate, ask questions, and I have done this a long time. And again, when it comes even signing a copier lease or a building lease or whatever it is, I try to do my due diligence. And my decision to switch from a previous vendor to Delta Media Group is one of the very best decisions I've made in 22 years I've been doing this.